Hey guys, I got myself a Mattel Wicked Glinda fashion doll in a pink Oz dust ballroom. This is pretty awesome. This is a posable ballroom version, which is really cool. I guess collectors love this. Also, fans love this, the ballroom look. It's a really good display piece with great likeness to the Wicked movie and Andriana Grande, which is really, really cool. If you look at the face details, it's really, really cool in terms of that. Now, I'm going to do an unboxing and basically show you this awesome doll. Now, why did I buy it? Is not because I collect dolls or Barbie, but I just saw how well designed this was, and it's really, really attractive in terms of the hair and everything. Another thing was that it was posable too, which I really liked, and also the dress. Very, 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 very detailed. Comes with this purse and clutch, I guess, and a necklace. I'm not interested in any of that stuff. The main thing I do is I like drawing, and I'm trying to learn how to do figure drawing and stuff. So this posable um, is this posable doll is awesome for it, and the detailing on the hands and arms and stuff is really cool, and you can move these things all around. Now the hair detail is really good too. I feel that the hair is a little crunchy. I think they put gel or something on it, but it's curvy and basically has little wavy patterns on it. I'm thinking a little bit of wash would probably get it straight, but the fact that it's braided, there's little hair clips, very, very detailed. Um, the dress is awesome too. I mean, that's a very detailed dress. I'm starting to learn how to sew, so for me, I'm just doing sewing stuff to correct some pants. I have some pants and stuff, but this is pretty interesting. I don't know if I want to try making little outfits and stuff, but this is the first doll I got, and I just thought it was really beautiful in terms of what it is, and to see the design and stuff. I think I could probably modify this or make something like this. So it's an interesting creative piece, and the fact that I'm gonna use it for drawing will be cool too. I see the dress is really detailed with the ruffles and pleats and everything like that, so it is pretty cool. And it's very beautiful too. The ombre design, the orange to pink, the wrist moves, everything is really detailed, and visually it's very beautiful. I really like it. Now that's why I bought it. I bought it so I could pose it, but it's really, really cool. Now the next thing, of course, is that the likeness of the face, the hair is really, really detailed as well. It does come with the accessory of hair clips, and that completes the whole look, I guess, from that movie. But overall, very good detailing in the dress and everything like that. Printed detail, the sparkle or texture in the fabric rather than actual glitter, which I think is a plus because I really don't want to deal with glitter. Ruffles are beautiful as well. I mean, this is pretty cool. Now, this is good for doll collectors or for older kids who wants to pose the doll. I think that would be awesome. The articulating elbows and everything is really good. And of course, there's not too much in terms of accessories, but the fact that it has shoes, purse, and necklace is really cool. And the clips and the dress design is very beautiful as well. Anyways, that's really about it. I hope you like this review and the close-ups of this stuff. And this is the first time reviewing a toy, so this is pretty cool. Anyways, guys, see you next time. Bye-bye.